So in the earlier derivation, we saw that the value of small g, that is acceleration due to gravity, is given by g is equal to gm upon r plus h the whole square. But if h is very less than r, then h can be neglected and small g is equal to gm upon r square. In that case, Earth was assumed to be a sphere, but actually Earth is not a sphere. It is oblong in shape, that is, it is flattened at the poles and bulged towards the equator. At the equator it is bulged and it is flattened at the poles. Hence, the value of g cannot be constant. It goes on changing from place to place on the surface of the earth. So let us now discuss the factors that cause change in the value of g. So variation in the value of g, small g is the acceleration due to gravity, acceleration that is produced in a body due to the earth's force of gravitation exerted on the body by the earth. Acceleration is produced in the body when the earth exerts a force of gravitation on that body. So that acceleration is given by the letter small g, and the formula for it is small g is equal to g capital M upon r plus h the whole square. Small g is equal to capital G capital M upon r plus h the whole square, where capital G is a universal gravitational constant, capital M is the mass of the earth, and r plus h is the distance between the center of the earth and the object. Now let us discuss the variation in the value of g. In the earlier derivation, we got the value of g as 9.77 meter per second square or 9.8 meter per second square. Now in the new book, they also use 10 meter per second square as a value of g. But these values, constant values, are used only for solving problems. Actually, value of g is not constant. It goes on changing. How it changes, let us discuss. First, change along the surface of the earth. The earth is flattened at the poles and bulged at the equator as shown in the figure here. Therefore, the distance of a body at the poles from the center of the earth, जो body pole पर है उसका distance center of the earth से कम होगा, जो body equator पर है उसका distance center of the earth से ज़्यादा होगा. Now, Rp is less than Re. Therefore, from the formula small g equal to gm upon r square, r is in the denominator. Greater the value of r, the value of g will be less. Denominator जितना बड़ा होगा, पूरी value, उस quantity की पूरी value कम हो जाएगी, और denominator अगर छोटा होगा तो उस quantity की पूरी value ज़्यादा होगी. Now, Rp is less and Re is more. Therefore, the value of g at the equator is less than the value of g at the poles. The value of g at the poles is 9.832 meter per second square. The value of g at the equator is 9.78 meter per second square. See again, g is equal to gm upon r square. So, r is in the denominator. R is the radius. Now, the radius of the distance of a body which is situated at the pole from the center of the earth is denoted as Rp, and the distance of the body which is situated at the equator from the center of the earth is denoted as Re. Now Rp is less than Re. Rp छोटा है, कम है Re के कंपैरिजन में. So Rp क्योंकि कम है तो g की वैल्यू, स्मॉल g की वैल्यू बढ़ जाएगी, और Re क्योंकि ज़्यादा है, बड़ा है, सो g की वैल्यू कम हो जाएगी. सो whenever a body is situated at the poles, g's value is 9.832 meter per second square, and for bodies situated at the equator, the value of g is 9.78 meter per second square. The second factor is change with height. The first factor was how g is affected, small g is affected by the shape of the earth. The shape of the earth affects the value of g. At the poles it is more, the value of g is more. At the equator the value of g is less. Now change with height. Here you can see a body situated above the surface of the earth at a height h above the surface of the earth. This is the earth, blue thing is the earth, and the body is situated at a height h above the surface of the earth. So here the distance of the body from the surface of the earth is quite large. You can see that the body is situated at a much greater height from the surface of the earth. So from the formula, G is equal to Gm upon R plus H the whole square. R plus H is the total distance from the center of the earth to the point where the body is situated. This distance from the center of the earth to the point where the body is situated, this is R plus H. तो अगर बॉडी का हाइट फ्रॉम द सर्फेस ऑफ द अर्थ बढ़ता जाएगा तो H बड़ा होती जाएगा एंड R प्लस H और ज़्यादा होती जाएगा. द मोर द डिनोमिनेटर विल इंक्रीज, द वैल्यू ऑफ G विल डिक्रीज. डिनोमिनेटर अगर बढ़ता है तो पूरा वैल्यू छोटा होते जाता है. सो जैसे जैसे बॉडी अर्थ से ऊपर जाते जाएगा, अर्थ से उसका डिस्टेंस अगर बढ़ते जाएगा, R प्लस H पूरा बढ़ते जाएगा और स्मॉल g की वैल्यू कम होते जाएगी. सो as we go above the surface of the earth, the value of G decreases. So as we go above the earth's surface, the value of G decreases. So this is change with height. G height के कारण change होता है. Next is change with depth. Here you can see the earth and we are going deep inside the earth. हम earth के अंदर जा रहे हैं, अर्थ की सेंटर की ओर अगर जा रहे हैं तो नाउ हम खुद ब खुद अर्थ की सेंटर की ओर चले जा रहे हैं. सो अर्थ को हमें खींचने के लिए ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ेगी एंड हेंस एक्सेलरेशन कम होगा बिकॉज ऑलरेडी वी आर गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द अर्थ. देयरफॉर अर्थ विल नॉट हैव टू एक्सर्ट मच फोर्स ऑन अस and therefore our acceleration will be less and hence G decreases, the value of G decreases as we go deep inside the earth. और जब हम सेंटर पर पहुंच जाएंगे G becomes equal to 0. I repeat again, since we are going deep inside the earth, हम खुद ब खुद अर्थ के अंदर जा रहे हैं. अर्थ तो वैसे भी और हमें अपनी ओर ही खींचता है. सो क्योंकि हम ऑलरेडी अर्थ की सेंटर की ओर जा रहे हैं, अर्थ को हमें खींचने के लिए ज़्यादा फोर्स नहीं लगाना पड़ेगा. फोर्स कम लग रहा है तो एक्सेलरेशन भी कम होगा. हेंस G डिक्रीजेस व्हेन वी गो डीप इनसाइड द अर्थ. और जब हम सेंटर पर पहुंच जाएंगे अर्थ को कोई फोर्स नहीं लगाना पड़ेगा एंड G बिकम्स इक्वल टू 0.